So write ngwongwom. Ngwongwom is a topic. Onye ọbụla si ngwongwom. Ngwongwom. Ngwongwom putara my belongings. Ngwongwom. So every day you see a lot of things around you and you don't know their Igbo names. Yes or no? So we are going to practice that today, and you must put them into practice. You must. Ngwongwom. So every word we teach you, practice it, say it, throw it here and there. When you get to, let your parents feel the impact. And if you come to the camp and you learn how to speak Igbo to a good extent, if you get home and you tell them you want to join our students, the classes of those in the diaspora, you want to come into, your parents will listen to you. But if you don't do well in the camp, will they listen to you? They will not. And trust me, our students, if we have over 200 students in US, in UK, and in Canada, we have very few. Our students in Nigeria are not even up to 20. We have a lot of them in the US, so many in Canada, and then a few in UK. So practice, practice, practice. So your parents will do. That's why you see everything we have on slides. Did you notice it? Yes. That you can see we really would even need to write, because we teach them, we give them materials. These things are the things we use to teach our students online.
What do you unboxing?
Chobokoro. Can't you transfer that money to to transfer it to Mrs. Chinyere? Right, to Mrs. Chinyere. Transfer it to Chinyere.
Let her now give her.
She can go, or two of you can go with her car.
Okay.
She has a car.
Where is she?
You don't know that big.
I know where. Okay.
My mama will ask this. We were at our bag.
Bag.
At our bag.
Bag.
What they to here? Have you written it?
Yeah.
If they give this alarm. Aziza, broom. Aziza, broom. What they to here? Onye Edecha or see Edecha lamb, if you're from Anambra or Enugu, we see Edecha gom. What is bag called? You can have a bag Nibo. Akpa. Akpa. Now, if bag is akpa, how would you say my bag? Look at your pronouns. Lion and pronoun. Akpam. Put a dash. Akpam. My bag. Just put a dash. Tinye dash. You have written akpa bag, right? Then you just put a dash here. My bag, apam, or you write apam, my bag, just like that. We'll be making simple sentences with them. Apam. On here? On the audio? Okay. Aziza, broom. Oh yeah, Aziza, broom. One sec. So while we are waiting for Uncle, let's look at the verbs. So the guideline and the verbs. Start. Mail the first 10, second 10, third 10, next 10. We'll do 10, 20. No, they are not 30. It's a whole lot. But if you can learn them, you're very good in Google. Yeah.
Number one.
So you cannot say number one, you say Nkembo. Nkembo ga. Nke abụọ. Nke abụọ. So nke abụọ.
Wait. What's one again?
Otu. But when you are numbering something, you don't say otu, you say nkembo.
Nkembo.
Did you hear what I said? You don't say nke otu, you say nkembo. Nkembo.
Nkembo. Ga.
Ga.
Bo.
Ga.
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 Ga. Go. Ikemabo.
Nke abụọ.
Kambo.
The word is nke. So nke abụọ. Kebe maka anyị dị ọkụ. Ifu onye ọzọkwa. Nke oge ahụ na-edalụ. Nke abụọ. No, not nke abụọ. So to say number in Igbo is nke. Okay, imechara.
Yes.
Nke. So nke mbụ. Then this one to say nke abụọ, you now say nke abụọ. That's number 2. Do you get? You just do nke abụọ.
Okay. Then nka ato.
Yes, nke atọ. You see that? That's how to number.
Okay.
So can you make it so that you're able to go back to We good? Good. Mkpịsị ode pencil ma ọ bụ pen.
Pencil or pen.
Mkpịsị ode pencil ma ọ bụ pen. Mkpịsị ode ode mkpịsị ode pencil ma ọ bụ pen. I know you don't know the name of phone in Igbo. Ekwentị phone.
Ekwentị phone.
Ekwentị phone.
Ekwentị phone.
Please take link. You need to send it to the parents. He hasn't posted it to you. Uwe ime innerwear.
Uwe ime innerwear.
Uwe ime innerwear.
Uwe ime innerwear.
Ready to
because there are three here. There are three classes already live here. So we should check those now.
It's not posted. So this is my phone. So your number. Let me see it. You know.
You know what I'm telling you, but I will tell
No,
you.
there's this phone I'm using as phone.
Yeah,
Is it in this chair?
no, it's a little cheap. Where is the council supposed to take it?
I let him send to the group. So
Eh,
don't so I
I
can
will.
forward it.
I will go and tell you.
Ụgbọala car.
Ụgbọala car.
Ụgbọala car.
Ụgbọala car.
Elekere aka ga-eji. Elekere aka wristwatch. Elekere aka wristwatch. Elekere aka. Okay, let's read the ones we've done. Let's walk around with how many? Ole ka anyị go? 21. Ngwa ka anyị mee ihe na ka anyị jiri ndị nke anyị mere mee ihe. So how would you say nke mbụ bụ bag, right? Akpa. Kedu ka esi ekwu my bag? Akpa m. Akpa m. Kedu ka esi ekwu my broom? Azizam, good. Mana kedu ka esi ekwu Chioma? Chioma. Chioma. You like to write. Writing is not everything. Understand. Understanding gives you, if you understand it, you can do anything. So how do you say your broom? Aziza what?
Aziza.
Your broom. What is your? And in pronouns, the pronoun, or equal the word, equals the pronoun. So how would you say your broom?
Azizagi.
Azizagi. We'll write it down. Let's go here. Azizagi. No, you can give space. You just make sentence. Azizagi. Her comb. How do we say her comb? Her comb. Her comb.
Mbo isi ya.
Mbọ isi ya. Say it. Mbọ isi ya.
Mbọ isi ya.
So
Next one is sponge.
sponge, how would you say sponge?
Ogbo.
How would you say my sponge?
Ogbom. Ogbom.
How would you say my sponge?
Ogbom.
Obom. Obom. Write it down. Date where? So who wants to make onye chọrọ imepụta ahịrịokwu from them, simple sentences when we're waiting for this? What's the next one? How would you say my soap? Ncham. So how would you say I want my soap? So my soap, ncham. So what's the next word?
Toothpaste.
Add a pronoun to toothpaste.
Yeah, incha is
What does that mean?
your toothpaste.
The your will come last. In English, you say your toothpaste. In Igbo, you say toothpaste your.
Okay. Incha is the
Yes, beautiful. Ncha eze ya. Ncha eze ya.